Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to set up live server on Visual Studio Code. So, first of all guys, I will need you to do is go to your browser to install Visual Studio Code. So, all you need to do is go to your browser, go to the URL section and search for Visual Studio Code. And guys, please don't make any confusion between the Visual Studio and the Visual Studio Code. They are completely different software, so make sure to download the blue one. So here we go. Let's go back and Visual Studio Code. So here it is. Now here you can install it for Windows, so download for Windows, and here you can choose Mac OS or Linux. After that you can choose to download it from these icons. Now let's say that you have downloaded it. So all you need to do after that is just go ahead and start installing it on your PC. Go ahead to your PCs and start choosing the language after that. So they will give you a bunch of languages. Make sure to choose all the languages that you will need to use now and in the future. And just like so, you will be creating your account and you will log into the software. So that's how it will look like. So it means just close this and somewhere like that it will be looking. Let me just remove that. Here we go. So it will be looking something like that. All you need to do now to be able to set up your live server, you just have to go to extensions or through Ctrl Shift X or through this menu. So here we go, and then search for live server. And as you can see, here it is. All you need to do now is click on install. So here it is installing. And basically, this live server is actually letting you to watch whatever you do in your software live in the browser. So that's how you can actually, this is an example of what this software actually can do. And basically, yeah, that was it, guys. If you want to enable it, you can go here and click on enable if it was disabled. And if you want to install it, just click here to install it. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.